gentlemen, all 32 wonderful ladies on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause? Just look at them dashing in such a lovely color. And now that we have these wonderful women on stage, our title sponsor, Aushadhi, wishes to give all of them a token of love. So all our finalists, all our 32 finalists will be receiving a token of love from our title sponsor, Aushadhi. And I would like to request our esteemed judge, Ambika Pillai ma'am, to kindly come up on stage and hand over this wonderful gift from Aushadhi to our contestants here. Ma'am, please, ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome the one and only Ambika Pillai. Request the gift boxes to be brought on stage.
So stunning. Everybody looks beautiful.
So Ambika ma'am will be handing over this token of love from Aushadhi to our contestants. Let's start from that corner. Yes. Round of applause for her. Thank you, Molu. You were amazing. Very efficient girl. And thank you so much, ma'am, for doing the honors. So this is a wonderful gift, a wonderful token of love from our title sponsor, Aushadhi. Alright, so ini nammal kadakkan povunathu title winners ne honor ചെയ്യുന്നതിലേക്കാണ്. പക്ഷേ അതിന് തൊട്ട് മുൻപ് നമ്മൾ സബ് ടൈറ്റിൽ വിന്നേഴ്സിനെ ഓണർ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. തീർച്ചയായും ഇവർ 32 പേർക്കും ഓരോ പ്രത്യേകതകളുണ്ട്. സോ അവരുടെ ആ പ്രത്യേകതകളെയാണ് ഇനി നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു വേദിയിൽ അംഗീകരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ലേഡീസ്, ഫോർ ദ സബ് ടൈറ്റിൽ സെറിമണി, crowning ceremony, you can keep your lovely gift boxes beside you. And ആദ്യത്തെ സബ് ടൈറ്റിൽ അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. This is in the category Beautiful Personality, and to give away the award, let me invite on stage the MD of Ulsav Celebrate, Pavan Manchanta. So if you're here, kindly come on stage. Alright, so in that case, I would like to invite on stage to honor the Beautiful Personality subtitle winner, a person with a very beautiful personality herself, Ashwathi Menon ma'am, requesting you to kindly come on stage and honor the winner of the Beautiful Personality title. Ladies and gentlemen, nalloru kaidiyode swadam cheyyam. Beautiful personality. Arana, beautiful personality. This must have been a very tough one because all these women are amazing personalities. But we have a winner, and the winner is contestant number 11, Mrs. Veena Jain. Congratulations! Subtitle winner. It's in the category Beautiful Skin. Mrs. Beautiful Skin ആരാണ് എന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി we need to invite on stage Mr. Rohit Arora. Rohit Arora, request you to kindly come on stage. He is an upcoming script writer. The winner is contestant number 21, Ashwani Mohan. Congratulations. The next subtitle category, and that is Beautiful Smile. I would like to request Mr. Sergeant Kaladi to kindly come up on stage and do the honor of giving away this subtitle. Let's have Mr. Sergeant Kaladi on stage. And the winner, Beautiful Smile, contestant number 19, Mrs. Dhruvi Vishnu. Congratulations. அடுத்த subtitle category, Beautiful Eyes. We are being joined by the lovely Ambika Pillai, who herself has very beautiful eyes. So I guess you would be an ideal person to do the honors. Mrs. Beautiful Eyes, I would say. Contestant number 20, Mrs. Ramya Suryakumar. Congratulations. The next subtitle, Beautiful Hair. And I request the very beautiful Sajna ma'am to do the honors. The reigning Mrs. Kerala. Beautiful hair goes to contestant number 30, Mrs. Rahana Ranjit. Congratulations. Beautiful body. And I request Rahul Ishwar to do the honors. Beautiful body. The winner, contestant number 7, Mrs. Purnima Srilal. Congratulations, Purnima. To the next subtitle, Active Personality. And request Ambika ma'am to do the honors. Active Personality. Arkana ettavum active personality ullathu. The winner, contestant number 22, Mrs. Ashwarya Jayachandra. The best talent, and requesting Rahul ji to do the honors. The best talent, contestant number, best talent ആരായിരിക്കും? Contestant number 1, Mrs. Divya Mohandas. Congratulations. you so much. And the next subtitle category is Best Fashion Icon. And requesting the fashion icon here, Ambika ma'am, to do the honors. Best Fashion Icon. Contestant number 10, Mrs. Shashi Praveen. അടുത്ത സബ്ടൈറ്റിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. It is the Viewers Choice Award. Viewers തെരഞ്ഞെടുത്ത contestant. And ഈ ഒരു സബ്ടൈറ്റിൽ നൽകുന്നതിനായി let me request Ashwathi ma'am. Viewers Choice winner, contestant number 9, Mrs. Geethu Vishwan. Congratulations, Geethu. A very interesting category, Mrs. Shining Star. And to do the honors, I request the Shining Star herself, Sajna ma'am, and the winner, the Shining Star. All of them are stars, definitely, but Mrs. Shining Star is contestant number 31, Mrs. Saritha Ravindranath. Congratulations. Next subtitle category, Best Congeniality. I would like to request Rahul Ishwar to kindly hand over the certificate, memento and adorn the sash. And the winner, Best Congeniality, is contestant number 9, Mrs. Geethu Vishwan. Congratulations. To the next category, the Best Catwalk. ഏറ്റവും മികച്ച catwalk. And to do the honors, I would like to request Ashwathi ma'am. Ashwathi will be doing the honors and Best Catwalk. The winner, contestant number 17, Mrs. Varsha Geeta. Congratulations. Thank you, ma'am. The next subtitle category is Most Photogenic Contestant. Most Photogenic Contestant, and I would like to request Sajna to kindly do the honors. Most Photogenic Contestant, contestant number 13, 13, Mrs. Tina Jason. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the last subtitle category, and that is the Best Propagator. The Best Propagator ആരാണ് എന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. Request Ambika ma'am to do the honors. The Best Propagator is contestant number 19, Mrs. Dhruvi Vishnu. Congratulations, Dhruvi. ladies and gentlemen, very few minutes, very few moments to go for the title crowning ceremony. But before we move on to that, I request the judges we have on stage to quickly say a few words. Let's start with Ashwati. So all of you, very quickly, we would love to know your experience judging this wonderful pageant.
So hats off to the audience here. That's what Rahul and I were saying, that audience, amazing to see you here. It's this late, but you've all been here supporting this. So thank you so much for all being here. The events, Spanio events, what a wonderfully planned and executed program. And above all, I have to thank Dalu. A big round of applause for Dalu for having to get all of these ladies here and walk the ramp the way they have, so elegantly, looking so beautiful. Hats off to him, and I thank him for inviting me here, because if you hadn't, I wouldn't be here to enjoy this. So thank you so much. God bless, and I'm looking forward to the winners. Rahul, shall I pass this on to you?
Adindane, very dear Dalu. Dalu is like family. No, Dalu is family for me. Dalu and Anvarji is there. So it's a great occasion. And trust me, I have been to many competitions across India. This is one of the most beautiful sights I have seen. Absolutely fabulous. Wonderful to see all the beautiful, gorgeous women. It's a great sight. It's a privilege to be here. Thank you.